Yo, what up, fellas? It's your boy, Orange Prince, Orange Rice August. I'm gonna do a parody. I'm gonna sing one of my favorite songs of all the times as Lesson by Beyonce. I'd like you to rate my voice out of 10. Do I deserve a recording deal or not? Do I sound like Beyonce or not? Listen to the song in my heart. A melody has died, but can't complete. Listen to the sound deep within. It's only beginning to find release. All the time has come for my dream to be handled. That would not be too close to tonight. Until you hold, I'll place you hold. Do I deserve a recording deal or not? Do I sound like Beyonce or not? It's your boy Orange Prince, Orange Rice August. I'd like your honest opinion. Please leave your review. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thank you.